Good morning and welcome to the December 4th edition of the OBX Wave Report. I am Robert Scribbler. Thank you for joining me. I am here reporting live at Jeanette's Pier on the conditions in the Outer Banks right now. And as you can see from behind me, the ocean is quite a bit stirred up as we are getting some strong onshore flow, about 25-mile-per-hour wind conditions here coming out of the northeast, pushing in a rather strong swell. According to the official numbers, the waves are in the range of about 2 to 3 feet. I think they're a bit larger, particularly in the offshore break here. As you can see at the end of the pier, there's some rollers coming in. So I'd say, just based on this observation here, waves are closer to 3 to 5 feet. I don't think that you can see quite as well as I can on the shore here, so I'm going to step a little bit closer. I also want to let you know that unfortunately I wasn't able to live stream today due to the fact that the cell tower is not putting out as strong a data, so this is a recording that I'm just going to upload right when I get home. So going through the wave report today, though, conditions are improving, even though this strong wind condition is bringing in quite a bit of chop as well. So it's some relatively rough conditions here on the Outer Banks, and mainly for the northeast facing beaches. So I picked 2 northeast facing beaches for our report today, and of course I'm here at Jeanette's Pier, so I'm going to do the official wave report for Jeanette's Pier, and I'll just go ahead and start now. So as I said before, the official wave height is 2 to 3 feet. I think it's quite a bit larger, more like 3 to 5 feet here at Jeanette's Pier. According to the official readings, the wave period is 6 seconds for the primary swell and 11 seconds for the secondary swell. And the winds are coming out of the north-northeast at 25 miles per hour, so strong onshore flow here at Jeanette's Pier. The air temperature is 53 degrees, so it's cool and brisk with those strong winds. And the ocean water temperature is dipped down to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, so a little bit cooler as we would expect. The water temperatures are cooling as we get more and more into late fall and early winter. The weather, so we've had a front pass over the last day, over the last 24 hours. It is now offshore, and behind the front we're getting breezy conditions and sunny conditions, which we will experience for at least the rest of today. And looking at the long-term weather forecast, which I discussed yesterday, we'll expect to see these kind of conditions continue throughout the week, with the waves building, in fact, throughout the week. Moving on up the coast, now I'm not at Avalon Pier, but I'm going to give you the observed conditions this morning at Avalon Pier, and given that the waves are a bit bigger than the earlier observed conditions, I would think that Avalon Pier is in a similar situation now, with the observed wave heights earlier today were 2 to 4 feet, but it's probably running in the range of at least 1 foot higher than the observed conditions. The wave period at Avalon Pier is 6 seconds for the primary swell and 11 seconds for the secondary swell. The winds are coming also from the north-northeast at 25 miles per hour, which is a strong onshore flow. The air temperature there is 54 degrees, so about the same as it is here at Jeanette's Pier. And the ocean water temperature is also 59 degrees. Weather conditions are expected to be about the same there over at Avalon Pier, up in Kitty Hawk, breezy, and the expected high today up in Avalon Pier is 59 degrees, whereas the expected high today at Jeanette's Pier here is 60 degrees. So I wanted to take an observation for you from Rodan, a little bit further south, and the wave conditions are not quite as strong with that north-northeast wind. It's coming cross-shore a bit, so the waves are seconds for the primary swell and 11 seconds for the secondary swell. Winds are out of the north-northeast over at Rodan at 26 miles per hour, so very strong, slightly onshore and cross-shore flow. Air temperature is 58 degrees, so a little bit warmer, and the ocean water temperature is 63 degrees at Rodan, also a bit warmer. Weather conditions are expected to be breezy throughout the day with a high of 61 degrees Fahrenheit. So overall, we have improving surf conditions